Okay, just a real quick video. I just got Flutter working on Rover. And before I was using the Bluetooth control, among other things, I couldn't take video with this phone. The Bluetooth control was, kind of a cool way to experiment with using Python and Pythonista on the iPhone to control a robot over Bluetooth. And if you don't have a controller, then like this one, then the iPhone control is pretty good. But using the accelerometer to steer the robot was, it really sucked. And this is just really responsive. It's a direct RF link. So I really like this. It just feels buttery smooth. I think it's going to be a rock solid link. And what I like about this is it doesn't matter which way you're tilting it. It has a real knob for steering. And the Python program could totally be improved to have two places for thumbsticks rather than using the accelerometer for steering. But I have a lot of these lying around. This is my little Kickstarter project, Flutter Wireless. And I still am shipping this Kickstarter to the backers, but I thought I would use it to control my robot because it's nice control.